Hello, my name is Shiji Kathuria, and I am the Honors College Librarian for Perimeter College. I am based at the Alpharetta campus. Today I will show you how to find Creative Commons or public domain images for your website project. It's easier than you think. First, let's go over how to find these images using Google. You'll select Images and do a search. Over here you'll see a button that says Tools. Click on that and you'll see an option that says Usage Rights. From here you can select Creative Commons licensed images only. From here, the images you find in your results should be appropriate to use for your website project. Another good place to go is the New York Public Library Digital Collections. When you start your search, you will see a box that pops up that says Search by Public Domain Only. If you select this option, all of the images that come up in your results should be appropriate to use in your project. I have created a research guide with links to these resources and more to get appropriate images for your project, so be sure to check them out. Over here you'll find recommended websites for finding images with the links that I just showed as well as some others. It is important to cite your images to provide proper attribution, just like you would when you were writing, and even if the images are in the public domain. I have provided some more information here on how to cite your images. On the Purdue OWL, you can find how to cite a photograph. Keep in mind, if you get the image from Google, you should not use Google as your website or publisher. Follow the link to where the image comes from and cite the information from there. This has been a quick introduction on how to find images using Google and New York Public Library. Please don't hesitate to contact me if you need additional help. Here's my contact information. Thank you. I look forward to hearing from you.